Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn a new lesson. Lesson 21, the interjection. Today we are going to learn the new lesson, the interjection. What is interjection, children? Interjection is a word that expresses some sudden feeling. Interjection is a word that expresses some sudden feeling. For example, children, please take page number 89. Please take page number 89 and read, children. Look at the following pictures and read the sentences. Some pictures are given there in your book. Just look at them and then read the sentences. Hooray, we have passed in the examination. Hooray, we have passed in the examination. That means they are surprised to hear that they have passed in the examination. So when we have that sudden feeling, that time we use the interjection words. Okay. So when we write interjection, after the interjection word, this mark we are supposed to put. Hooray, suppose hooray. Then we have to write. See, after writing this interjection, we have to put the exclamation mark. Understood? Now, alas, the poor woman is sick. She is very poor and she is sick also now. Okay, so alas, after that again interjection, after that again exclamation mark, alas. After this also we have to put this. So after every interjection word, we have to put the exclamation mark. Next one, bravo, you did very well. That means a teacher or mother or some sister, somebody is telling that child, bravo, you did very well, very good. You have done very well. For that we use the word bravo. Next one, wow, this rose is so beautiful. When something is very beautiful, when your frock is very beautiful, when your dress is very beautiful, when your writing is very beautiful, that time we say, wow, this rose is so beautiful. So after every interjection word, you will use the exclamation mark. Understood, children? Exclamation mark you must put after every interjection word. Yes. Now read in the above sentences, words hooray, alas, bravo and wow are interjections. The word hooray expresses happiness. From that hooray word, what's the meaning we get? Happiness. Hooray, we have passed in the examination. They are very happy. When we are very happy, we say hooray. After hearing the result, we are very happy. So we are saying hooray. Next one, the word alas expresses sorrow. When we are sad, when we feel sad, that time to express the sadness, express the sorrow, we say alas. Next one, the word bravo expresses admiration. The word bravo expresses admiration. You have done something very well. You did very well. So to admire you, we say bravo. Next one, the word wow expresses wonder. I am wondering about something, so I am saying wow. So that is to express something wonderful thing happened. For that we say wow. Now children, please read the definition of interjection. An interjection is a word that expresses some sudden feeling. To express some sudden feeling, we use interjection. It is always followed by an exclamation mark. Always the interjection word will be followed with the exclamation mark. Now, next one. Read the following sentences and insert suitable interjections from the box. Now, 4 words we have learned. 4 interjection words we have learned. So, you have to write in the blanks the proper interjection word. That means you have to fill in the blanks. You have to do here, fill in the blanks. The first exercise we are going to do. Okay, children, please take page number 89. Exercise A. Exercise A. First one. Read the following sentences and insert suitable interjections from the box. That means from the box. We have to write. What are the words given in the box? Hooray, alas, bravo, wow. Now we are going to write. Okay. Dash. My friend has come from Russia. My friend has come from Russia. I am so happy. My friend came from which place? Russia. From Russia she has come. So what we will write there? From Russia my friend has come. So I am so happy. So what shall I write there? Hooray. What I have to write there? Hooray. Because of happiness. Okay, because of happiness I say hooray. Next one. Dash. What an intelligent student. Dash. What an intelligent student. I am wondered about that student. He is so intelligent. So what will I say? Wow. What an intelligent student. Wow. Again exclamation mark. Next one. Dash. What an effort. Something he has done. Effort means that some work he has done. So what an effort. So what we will write there? Bravo. What we have to write? Bravo. Next one. Dash. He is suffering from diabetes. He is sick. He is suffering from diabetes. Sugar patient. So what we will write there? I am feeling sad about that. So what I will write there? Alas. Alas. Because I feel sorrow. I feel sad. Next one, number 5. Dash. I have passed in the test. I am so happy that I have passed in the test. So what I have to write there again? Hooray. Hooray. Number 5. Hooray. Okay, now we are going to write number 6. Okay, number 6. Dash. Look at the pretty pigeon. That pigeon is so pretty, so beautiful. So what will I write there? Wow. What I have to write? Wow. Number 6. Wow. Then number 7. Dash. They are poor and sick. They are very poor also. And they are sick also. So I am feeling very sad. So what will I write when I feel sad? Alas. Alas. Number 8. Dash. That girl is so beautiful. Beautiful, pretty. All this time what we have to write? Wow. What we have to write? Wow. Next one. Dash. You played very well. That means you did very well. You played very well. So I am congratulating. I am admiring you. So what I have to write? Bravo. Bravo. B-R-A-V-O. Bravo. After every word, you will put the exclamation mark. Now next one, number 10. Dash. Our team came first in the race. Our team came first in the race. I am so happy because my team came first. My team got first. So what will I write because of happiness? Hooray. When I am happy, what I have to write? Hooray. Okay. So this which is clear, children. Now we have the next exercise. Read, children. Look at the picture. pictures and write the suitable interjections in column A, then match them with the appropriate sentences in column B. Okay. So, what is given? See, what we have to do? Here pictures are given this side, the pictures are given this side. Okay, it's clear? Can you see? Yes. Now, in box A, in column A, nothing is written. But there you have to write interjection word. Okay. And then you will match what you are writing, that you will match with the column B. I will read the question once more. Look at the pictures. First you have to look at the picture and write the suitable interjections in column A. Suitable interjection you will write in column A. Then match them with the appropriate sentences in column B. So what you have to do, first you will see the picture, then write the interjection word. For every picture first you will write the interjection. Okay. Then you have to match with which word it will match. With which word this interjection will match. So you will match it with the, you can draw the line where it is matching. Understood, children? Okay. So we will do this exercise. Exercise B. We can do this exercise now. Yes, children, we can do this exercise now. So, look at the board. There are two columns. First one A, then second one B. Okay. Like these columns are there. So, here we can write. Okay, first, so children, see, look at the board, look at the picture. This is the first picture. So, children are very happy. So, when they are very happy, what we will write? Hooray! What we have to write? Hooray! Okay? First we will just see the picture and write the interjection. Hooray! The next picture, second picture you can see, doctor is checking, giving some treatment to a girl. That means she is sick, isn't it? She is sick. So I am feeling sad. She is sick. So when I am sad, what we will write? Alas. Alas, she is not well. So, we will write alas. Next one. They are playing football or tennis, cricket they are playing. Okay, something, any type of game. So, that time what we will say, if they have done, if they have played well, what we have to say? We have to say bravo. So, we have to write there bravo, because we are congratulating them, we are admiring them because they have done very well. Next one, rose picture, isn't it? Rose is so beautiful. So when it is beautiful, what we write? Wow. What we have to write? Wow. But after every word you have to put the exclamation mark. Okay. Now we have to match these words with the B side. Okay. Here there is one sentence, here there is one, and here there is one, and here there is one. Like that 4 sentences are given in the book. Okay? 4 sentences are there. You have to match. Hooray will match with which one? Alas will match with which one? Bravo with which one? Wow with which one? Okay. So first we will read. She is sick. She is sick. She is not well. So it will match with what? It will match with alas. So what we have to do from here, you will draw the arrow mark. From here you have to draw the arrow mark to alas. Understood? Next one. We have passed in the examination. We have passed in the examination. We are so happy. Hooray! It will match. Hooray will go to second one. Second line. Hooray will match to second line. Understood, children? Now third one. This flower is so beautiful. Where is the flower? Here, last one. So from here, last one to this one, We will do like this arrow mark. Next one, bravo. That's a great shot. So from bravo to last one, like this you have to put the arrow mark. Understood? Children see, hooray to second one, alas to first one, bravo to fourth one, wow to third one. Understood? Now children, this lesson is completed. This lesson is completed. So we have finished these parts, these all lessons. Now we have to learn from backside. We have to learn from backside that we will study tomorrow. So today children, the homework is learn the definition and also learn all the exercises from book. I'll send you the study material also that you write in your English 1 copy. Okay, prepare well children. Okay, thank you.